Hello, in this video I would like to show you how you can measure EEG with STM microcontrollers. So, in the first we have these types of a Nucleo board. This Nucleo board has opportunity to transmit data via BLE5. So, in these boards, we already have microcontrollers, GPIO inputs and outputs, connectors via micro USB that allow you receive power supply and also have opportunity upload hex file. But it's not enough just only measure EEG or another types of biodata. As you know, usually some types of microcontrollers have internal analog digital converter, but resolution of analog digital converter it's not enough to measure EEG, especially because EEG, as you know, it's microvolts, it's very low voltage and necessary very high resolution from analog digital converter. So for this reason, exactly for these types of board, I developed this shield MicroBCI. You need just only connect via GPIO4T directly to this board, and from this moment already you'll have opportunity measure EEG data also and EMG and another type. So finally it will looks like, oh sorry, finally it will looks like, just one moment, I need to connect again. So finally it will looks like that. So shield connected directly to Nucleo board, and the shield in other words allow you convert Nucleo board to brain computer interface. Now yes, it's everything connection is good. So we need to connect a power supply directly to Nucleo board. Nucleo boards still use a micro USB. It's not so popular, but in my case, I use this small adapter from USB-C to micro USB. We connect directly to Nucleo board, and as you can see, it's this LED is represent us that we have connections. This LED in MicroBCI board represents that MicroBCI receive power supply. So, and now from this moment it's necessary upload hex file and stack file for BLA, and we can measure already from this moment EEG data. So MicroBCI has ADC1299 analog digital converter from Texas Instruments. It's at 24 bits resolution, 10 outputs. It's standard to 0.54 connectors, 8 of inputs are responsible for biodata, for EEG or EMG connected directly over here, and 2 it's for clips electrodes or for another types of electrodes if you measure EMG. One of them is for reference, just only for compare, and another one for bias to remove any electromagnetic noise. So now this types of device is ready to start upload hex file and the stack file to operate via BLE. So let me now share my screen. And for MicroBCI device, I have these types of repository in GitHub that's located in a PiEEG club. It can be found directly over here. I just only created that, so it's quite new. So as you can see over here, it's general information how it can operate. So what we can see here, it's easy start. First, you necessarily upload hex file and stack file. Just only prepare your Nucleo board to operate. So hex file located over here, you need just only upload. And the stack file, it's over here, you just only also need to upload directly from GitHub. For upload, it's necessary to use these steps. STM programmer, it's free for users, so you need just only, if you don't have an account in STM microelectronics, you need to create it and upload directly from here. So when it was done, you have these types of software connected. So I already connected, as you can see, the micro USB cable. These types of Nucleo board as well as another one already have adapters that allow you connect directly via COM port. And this Nucleo board already has integrated circuits that allow you convert COM port to these types of standard, at least for microelectronics, STM32 SWD. So for this reason, just only connect your USB cable and put here connect. So next one, you need move in over here to have opportunity upload the stack file to operate via BLE. So Nucleo board actually already uploaded this stacks file, but for some case, probably you don't necessarily do that, but for example, I just only bought the one board, another one board, and when I received these types of board, Nucleo boards, STM32, WB, I received very old stack that was uploaded directly to this Nucleo board, and it was necessarily already updated. So what I need to do is here, you need to indicate location of your stack file, something like, as you can see in my case, and write this start address. Usually this address already automatically, when you upload your stack file, will be indicated here. But anyway, you need to just only test, and not just only test, just only check that this address is correct. It should be this one address. So after that, you need push this one button, let's say, and firmware upgrade. It's not necessarily put first install because, as I said, Nucleo boards already have stack file, but this stack file necessary update. So you need a firmware update. And the next one, what we need to do, it is upload hex file. Hex file, it's already direct framework that's responsible for operate. It's this hex file responsible for establish communication between MicroBCI board and between Nucleo board and send this data via BLE. So we move back to our STM programmer here. And again, open file, MicroBCI, and as you can see, MicroBCI point hex. And again, just only download. I can do it here. File download complete, disconnect. So from this moment already, you have opportunity launch your device and start measure biodata. But in the first, it's necessary disconnect device from power supply. In my case, I use these types of power battery. So you need to already connect MicroBCI with Nucleo directly to power board and connect electrodes. And you'll have opportunity already measure EEG. So let's see what we have yet. In our repository, you can find files to start measure and represent your biodata. You have two opportunity in the current moment, but I will definitely increase opportunity to measure EEG, add some libraries. So, but for right now, the most easy way probably is use SDK for mobile phones that's located in this types file repository. For this, in the current moment, just only for Android, it's Flutter. But again, it is SDK. You need read license, about responsibility or more. But positive moments from here, it's quite easy, and you have opportunity to adjust this mobile application for your custom project. So it's quite easy if you have task measure, stress control, emotional control. It's very easy. Implement your ideas directly via mobile phone. So it will be something like wearable device. And again, in spite of its development kit, these types of device can be used as a wearable device. It's not so big. It can be located on some headset without any problems. Or you can just only use it as a development kit to check your algorithms. So, but anyway, so as I said, that's you can use SDK for mobile phone, or you can use SDK for Python script, and that's allow you already measure EEG data via Python. It's again why SDK is good, since you have opportunity without any problem adjust for your project, especially as you know, we have already ChatGPT and another LLM models, so it's quite easy already just only copy, put and say, I would like to use these types of script, but please adjust it for my custom project. I would like do visualization in this case or not. So actually I have course on a demo how to use ChatGPT for EEG signal processing. In my case, for connection with LLM to make future extraction. But anyway, so and again, it's just only started, and I will add some libraries for these types of setup. About how to connect, as I mentioned before, it's you have opportunity to connect 8 channels from 1 to 8 located over here, and 2 channels, it's for bias. This one is bias, and this one is reference. So when we measure EEG, we measure EEG directly between channel 1 as example and reference. We measure voltage, but in microvolts. And these types of MicroBCI device is responsible to convert already analog signal in voltage to digital signal. These digital signals via SPI protocol connection is here, as you can see. Send data to STM Nucleo board. STM Nucleo board already receives this data, converts this data from digital format to still yet digital, but in microvolts, and sends this microvolts already via BLE protocol. So in GitHub also you can found if you have some concern is good device or not. You can just only check data sets that's collected by me with dry electrodes without any gel in standard, let's say, home applications, and you can see literally is good or not, signal noise ratio and another one. So and in my GitHub, yes, it's provided some presentation about artifact tests, the EEG signals, and EMG signals, and of course alpha test to confirm that we really can measure EEG signal. Also, this device can operate with dry or wet electrodes. Something, if you don't know, you can open over here. Dry electrodes is standard dry electrodes, silver chloride, and clips electrodes. Over here, it's also silver chloride by connecting to ear. Also, it can operate, and to be honest, unfortunately, from one point of view, with wet electrodes, of course, wet electrodes can provide for you much more clean EEG data, but from another side, it's not so comfortable. But if you're doing some research, probably with electrodes, it's good way. But from another point of view, dry electrodes also can be used with gel. So it's not something if you use dry electrodes, that doesn't mean that it should be dry. You also can use gel. It's improve your impedance and quality of reading. So, and also without any problem with very high resolution, it can operate with EMG data. Of course, if you measure EEG with that's located in microvolts without any problem, of course, we can measure and EMG that's located in millivolts. So, and what I would like to say yet, just let me see. Yes, I will provide some examples in YouTube, LinkedIn, and PiEEG website for support. You can use this one, Discard. I just only created I don't know how it's channel, probably in MicroBCI. Probably, actually, I can do it right now. Uh, New device. So, my STM32 and EEG. This card has already more than 400. And actually, it's fast growing community because I created this card just only probably 2 months ago, but it's already more than 400 users, and we try help each other with different types of project, and just only created channel probably half hours ago for MicroBCI device. So, and also I will have provide some information, probably much more in detail about how to use it, how to start in a website for PiEEG. So you can see here it's docs. And anyway, if you have any questions, you have used a Discord by EEG. Before I have also forum, but from the moment when I created a Discord, already nobody used forum, and probably it's something called the old style. So for this reason, you can directly contact me via LinkedIn, email, or the best way, of course, it's Discord. So, and I'll come back with a little more examples as if you by EG YouTube. And for now, it's thank you so much and see you. Bye.